Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. Skoda India has finally launched their Kushaq midsize SUV at a price range starting from Rs 10.49 lakh, going all the way up to Rs 17.59 lakh. The Skoda Kushaq will compete against the likes of the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, Nissan Kicks and the Renault Duster. As said before, the Skoda Kushaq is available in 5 different colors, starting with the Candy White, Reflex Silver, Carbon Steel, Honey Orange and the Tornado Red. Now let's talk about the different variants, their pricing and the respective features. As standard, the Skoda Kushaq is available in 3 different trim levels. The base trim level is called the Active, which itself is pretty decently loaded, offering 16-inch steel wheels, roof rails, LED tail lamps, remote central locking with flip key, a front center armrest with storage, a 2-in audio system with 6 speakers, tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel, steering mounted audio controls, manual air conditioning, all 4 power windows, electronically adjustable ORVMs and reverse parking sensors. This base level active manual variant is available at Rs 10.49 lakh ex-showroom. The second level variant is known as the Ambition, which additionally offers features such as 16-inch alloy wheels, crystalline LED headlamps, front fog lamps with static cornering function, silver finished roof rails, chrome detailing on the exterior, rear windshield wiper washer and defogger, height adjustable driver seat, interior ambient mood lighting, the large 10-inch touchscreen system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, My Skoda Connect connected car features, leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic climate control with rear AC vents, one-touch up and down function for the driver window, electrically foldable ORVMs, cruise control, reverse parking camera, twin USB charging ports for the front and rear, 60/40 split folding rear seats, rear center armrest with cup holders, and a cooled glove box. This mid-spec Ambition variant is available for Rs 12.79 lakh ex-showroom for the manual version, while the automatic version is priced at Rs 14.19 lakh ex-showroom. The topmost variant is known as the Style, which offers all features including 17-inch alloy wheels, full LED tail lamps, automatic LED headlamps, automatic wipers, smart key access with push-button start, leather upholstery with front ventilated seats, a more premium audio system, electric sunroof with anti-pinch function, wireless smartphone charging facility, and an auto-dimming IRVM. The top-spec Style variant is available with 2 engine options. The 1-litre TSI manual variant is priced at Rs 14.59 lakh ex-showroom, while the 1-litre automatic variant is available for Rs 15.79 lakh ex-showroom. The topmost 1.5-litre manual variant is priced at Rs 16.19 lakh ex-showroom, with the 1.5-litre automatic variant priced at Rs 17.59 lakh ex-showroom. Standard safety features on the entry-level active variant includes dual airbags, remote sensor locking, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, multi-collision braking, electronic differential lock, rollover protection, brake disc wiping, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and 3-point seat belts for all passengers. The Ambition variant additionally offers reverse parking camera, front fog lamps, rear windshield wiper washer with defogger, and connected car features offering geofencing and live tracking. The topmost Style variant offers 6 airbags, tire pressure monitoring system, and hill hold control as standard. Talking about engine options, the 1-litre 3-cylinder TSI petrol engine is available with all variants, producing 115 PS of maximum power and 178 Nm of maximum torque with a standard 6-speed manual transmission. A 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission is available only on the Ambition and Style variants, offering standard hill hold control and paddle shifters. The more powerful 1.5-litre 4-cylinder TSI turbo petrol engine is available only with the top-spec Style variant, producing 150 PS of maximum power and 250 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. In terms of luggage capacity, the Skoda Kushaq as standard offers 385 litres of boot space with a 60/40 split folding function for the rear seats available from the mid-spec Ambition variant onwards. So that was a quick overview of the newly launched Skoda Kushaq midsize SUV and its pricing. Stay tuned for our detailed reviews of the variants of the Skoda Kushaq. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.